folks, I have a little banjo to show you today. This is a tenor scale instrument that's an 8-inch rim with a 17-inch scale length. The main wood in this is some really beautiful curly walnut. It's from down near Medford, Oregon. Just really looks nice whenever I use it. Pistachio everything else, including some a fretboard with some nice graphs and sapwood in it. And it's got a goatskin head and a little armrest on here, which is always nice and comfy. And yeah, it's a joy to play. Yeah, number 875. Cheers.